traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, August 27th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So another nice push up today. Like I was saying this morning, I mean, it did kind of look like we could have had a bigger pullback, but as usual, trading with the trend, especially when the higher time frames is a wave 3, is definitely the most profitable strategy. It does kind of look to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern, and we are approaching a Fibonacci extension level, so I would possibly keep an eye out for a bounce. I personally definitely will be looking for longs until we have a significant break of structure to the downside on preferably like the 4 hour and daily time frame. Checking out the news calendar for tomorrow or this evening, we got CPI Aussie news this evening, which is 2:30 UK time. Definitely nothing I'm going to participate in, but should be a really good news event. That's definitely one of the highlights of the week, honestly. Tomorrow in the afternoon we have, or in the morning actually, we have Waller speaks. I don't think that's going to do a whole lot. And we do have some crude oil news if you're an oil trader. But otherwise, probably not going to do a whole lot to the dollar pairs. But tomorrow is Wednesday, and Wednesday is known for being one of the most volatile days of the week. So should be a pretty good day, even without dollar news in the New York session. So anyways, definitely don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.